All right, so now that you completed the table of values from the previous step, in order for us to be able to see a pattern that's happening, I'm going to help you by asking you to do the following, okay? I know that in the first steps, we did from 0 degrees, right, all the way down to 360, or 0 radians, all the way to 2 pi. But to help you come up with a way to see the pattern that I'm trying to refer to, we're going to add some rows to our values here, okay, in our table. So I want you to highlight row 6, and I want you to right click on your mouse and click insert one row above. Okay, we're going to do this 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so essentially we've added 4 extra rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've added 4 extra rows to our table of values. Okay? Now, I know again we started from 0 to 360, but we're going to add some angles in degrees, but in the negative direction, meaning that we're going to go from here down in this direction. So what I want you to do is we're going to type in negative 15 degrees. And notice that negative 15 degrees would be the same as 330 degrees, right? Okay, we're also going to do, and actually, you know what? I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It's not negative 15, it's negative 30 degrees. Okay, negative 30 degrees. Negative 30 degrees is the same as 330 degrees. Some of you probably caught that mistake, which is good. Okay, and then we're going to do negative 45 degrees. So again, we're going in the opposite direction. So we're going to go negative 30 degrees. We're going to go negative 45 degrees. And then obviously the next one you're probably saying, oh, I know what that's going to be. It's going to be negative 60 degrees. Okay, and then one more. It's going to be negative 90 degrees. Okay, all right. And then if you're wondering, what is this in radians? It's just these, but in negative values. So it's going to be negative pi over 6 for, not this one, let me cut that. It's going to be here for negative 30. That's negative pi over 6. 45 degrees is pi over 4. So negative 45 degrees is negative pi over 4. Okay? 60 degrees is pi over 3. So again, yeah, this is going to be negative pi over 3. And then negative 90, if 90 is pi over 2, then what's negative 90? That's negative pi over 2. Okay? All right, so now you're probably thinking, what are these values going to be for my negative 30, negative 45, negative 60, and negative 90? Well, remember, negative 30 degrees is the same as 330, or 11 pi over 6, right? So this one here, negative 30 degrees, we're essentially going to use the same values for 330 degrees. So let's just highlight this, copy it, and we're going to paste it here. Okay? For 45 degrees, negative 45 degrees, it's the same as what? 315. So let's highlight this one because it's 315, and we'll put it here. Okay, do the same until you get done with negative 60 and negative 90, okay? All right.